You want to go ahead and tell everybody what that is?
It's the bolt for the shock.
That's a shock bolt, okay, to mount on the frame. It's the frame bolt that mounts to the shock. But we got a situation, Charlie. Look what we got here. This hole has been wobbled out. That shock's probably been doing that for many, many years, bud. Okay, do you see what I'm saying?
Yep.
Are we gonna bolt it back on there like that? Are we gonna? No! We're gonna fix it right!
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
Okay, fuck it, there you go. Alright, what we just did, we went ahead and drilled a hole out in a piece of plate steel. Okay, you can see how thick it is, alright. Basically, it's the same thickness as the frame on our 1966 Chevy truck. Now, what I got here, I got an upper shock bolt, upper mounting shock bolt that actually bolts to the frame right here. And then, of course, your shock. Can I have the shock, please, Charlie? And then, of course, the shock bolts to that. We got a situation. We got a problem that arises a lot on these old trucks and cars. And the problem is do we have the old bolt, Charlie? Where's that? Now we got a fucking problem here, sir. You already got it in your scrap pile. Thank you. I'm not even done with it yet, and you already put it in the scrap. What we got here, we got a problem that if you look at that bolt real close, okay, you can see where it's been worn down, and that's from riding on the frame and wobbling the frame out, the hole that was drilled in the frame. So what we got to do, now you can have your scrap iron, Charlie. Okay, what we got to do is we got to cut a piece of plate steel out of this, right here. We got to cut that out, okay, and we got to weld that to our frame, all right? So it's a nice solid mount, just like you see there. Okay, if we had it sitting in there like that, we need to bend this one out. So we're going to stick that in the vise right there. Because I want that to fit real tight. See, Charlie? You see what I'm saying? Go ahead and bend that around. See there? There's a bend on this corner as well. And then also, look at that. Go ahead and bend this corner here. There. Now let's see how it fits now. Bring it on over here, Charlie. Squeeze through here, bud. Right here. Right there. See how it fits in here. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. And it's flush up there. You see what I'm saying, Charlie?
Yep.
So by bending those tabs, that gave me more access, okay, of the curvature that I need to go at. Okay, let's get it welded on there, Charlie. Let's get that welded. Okay, I got to give it another weld, so stay right there. We only got one tack weld on it. Let me get another one on it. Where's our bolt? There it is. Yeah. There it is, right there, Charlie. What do you think?
Yep.
Now, let me weld that up on there real good. side. I don't want to put too much on there because we have to have that bolt up there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and put one right here though. Just like that. See what I'm saying? Now, what we've done is we have given our truck, okay, our classic truck, our 1966 Chevy truck, a few more years to drive down the road worry-free. Okay, there's different ways. That's what you want, dude. You want a nice tight fit, dude. Do you see what I just did there?
Yeah.
Wow. You got a bitch or what, Charlie?
Yeah.
Okay, once you get your shoulder bolt on there, okay. Can you hold that, Charlie, please? Thank you. All right. Let's get the socket for that. Let's zap it on there. Let's get it done. Bolt that on there. And as you see, we are now ready to drive down the road with many, many, many enjoyable hours of fun and delight. This is Pete, and that's how it's done. Take it easy.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.